In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a photo on Chatgpt. Whether you're looking to enhance your photo for a professional presentation or just wanting to add a creative touch for personal use, you'll find that using Chatgpt can be a simple and effective way to achieve great results with minimal effort. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the photo you wish to edit saved on your device. This is crucial because you'll need access to the file to upload it during the editing process. If your photo is still on a camera or another device, transfer it to your computer or smartphone where you'll be carrying out the editing process. Having the photo readily available will make it much easier to follow along with the next steps. Once you've ensured that your photo is saved on your device, the next step is to open Chatgpt. If you're not familiar with Chatgpt, it's an AI assistant that can help you with a variety of tasks. It's available online, so make sure you're connected to the internet for this. Simply navigate to the Chatgpt website or application on your device and get yourself ready for the upload process. With Chatgpt open, you'll notice a plus icon typically located on the main interaction screen. Click on this plus icon. It serves as a gateway to additional functionalities beyond just text input, which is where you can start the photo editing process. After you've clicked the plus icon, you'll now see an option to upload photo and files. Select this option to proceed. This step allows Chatgpt to access files from your device, enabling you to choose the photo you want to work on. Navigate through your device's files and select the photo you wish to edit. Make sure you are choosing the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions or edits already stored on your device. A careful selection process here will save you time and make the session more efficient. Once selected, click to confirm, and the upload should begin. With your photo now uploaded to Chatgpt, it's time for the fun part, editing. In the chat interface, type in your prompt describing how you want the photo to be altered. This could range from simple adjustments like changing saturation or brightness to more complex edits such as adding elements or effects. Be as specific as possible in your description to get the best results from Chatgpt. For example, instead of simply saying edit photo, you could say increase the brightness and add a sepia filter. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to edit your photos using Chatgpt effortlessly. Experiment with different prompts and discover the creative possibilities. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing.